Now we're gonna check out the front net. So for this one right over here, I'm gonna have you come right to the edge of the table. And I want you to get the crease of your butt right up to the edge. And now you're just gonna sit back and fall back on the table. Okay, now let's take one of your legs and you're gonna hug it toward your chest. Are you completely relaxed right now? Okay, perfect. So this is called the Thomas test. The Thomas test is an orthopedic special test. And there are a few things that we're gonna be looking for. Number one, with women, we wanna see is the lateral condyle of the femur below the greater trochanter of the hip, and it is. If it was higher than parallel, then that would indicate some tightness in the psoas major, but since it is below, there's no tightness in the psoas major. However, with regard to the hip flexors, we also have the rectus femoris. The rectus femoris is one of the quadricep muscles that extends the knee, and also it does flex the hip. So since there's no issue with regard to the hip, we want to take a look at the knee. Ideally, when we are doing the Thomas test, we want the ankle to be directly below the knee. And since the knee is a little bit extended, we know that there is going to be some tension in the rectus femoris. So that's one area that we're going to want to treat. The other thing that we want to do is we want to take a look at the anterior superior iliac spine and the patella, or the kneecap, and we want to see that there's neutral alignment. If the knee is caving in, that would indicate tightness of the adductor group. If the knee is coming outside of the hip, that would indicate tightness in the abductors of the hip. And then lastly, we want to take a look at the ankle and see, is it directly below the patella or is it in or out? Right now, Alana's ankle is a little bit outside, which means there is some medial rotation going on at the hip. So we're going to want to work on the medial rotators a little bit. And now we're just going to do the other side. So you're just going to go ahead and...
That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.